going to be creating the AI for Tic Tac Toe, and to be honest, I am honestly super lost on what to do, to put it lightly. Like, I have an idea to just pretty much, here, let me have a var that's like the computer, and it would equal like a random number between 1 through 9. And that's pretty much all I've come up with. I was thinking about it before the video. I've kind of been thinking about it all day. Obviously 1 through 9 would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But how do I link that to all of these? So that's what I'm going to be trying to figure out. And then I also need to make it so the computer places it. And I think generally at the beginning it will probably just be random. And if that doesn't take too long, then I will try and incorporate some way for it to not lose, I guess. But that might, I'm gonna struggle on figuring out a way to make it balanced, because it's easier to make it always know how to block than just to sometimes block. So I'm gonna see if I can start on this section, trying to maybe probably 9 more variables and see if I can figure that out. Oh, by the way, in this video I'm not going to be doing very many time lapses, if any. Just comment down below if you prefer more long time lapses, or just a few short time lapses, or just no time lapses. Okay, so I have all the new set of variables, and these are basically just computer top left, computer top middle. And I don't really know how I'm going to incorporate this, but my plan so far is to probably put it in this turn function. So it's like so basically this is already saying the turn, and then so if I just add literally anything under it, that will mean it will go again. So that's my plan, and hopefully it works out, and if it doesn't, I'll have to figure something out, but I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. Alright, so I have something kind of funky going on. Wherever I place this bottom one should be an X, but right now it's not random, but oh wait, was that the right, I changed the wrong one. Maybe that's the issue. Yes, that was the issue, thank goodness. Alright, quick debugging is a good skill to know, which I don't really know, but pretty much it's wherever you play, it's gonna go there because it's not a random number yet. So I'm gonna basically repeat this 9 more times, and then we should get something good going, hopefully. Actually, scratch that. I need to figure out a way to make sure if I place the X here, then what's it gonna do? Because I need an else block, an else if, and hopefully that works. But we'll see. Alright guys, I have a kind of AI. There's a chance when you click it will AI, and it isn't working very well. Oh no. Oh, it's because I set it to 1 through 9. Sometimes it will place, sometimes I guess it won't. Like if I go in the middle, it's basically if this random number picks the one that an X is already in, then it just won't place and its turn will be over. So it's pretty unfortunate. And also the turn system seems to be a little off, because if it doesn't play, it doesn't give a point. So that just gave, so now it's X's turn again, but it just played, now it's O's turn. So there's kind of an issue here. So if I play as an O, but I don't want to ever be playing as an O, so let's see if we can fix that up. So what I just did is I realized that I'm not using any of these variables, but I'll just let them stick around for now. But I made a new variable called play. So basically this variable is going to be thrown around a lot from true to false. So every single time it's, I guess, gonna detect if play is false, then it will play, I guess. And it's basically gonna be set from true to false to true to false to true to false, so we can have a lot, so we can always make sure the computer is playing and that it's not getting messed up. Alright, so at this point I have it that if you play, there is a chance that it will play, in any position. And the O's can win. Let's try and get the O's a win, shall we? No, X wins. But sometimes, like, if I play here, let's try and get it. If I play in the X and no O spawns, that means the X, the the random number was actually equal to 5. So then that wasn't good, because then it just pretty much skips through all of this and doesn't play. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to see if this can work. Maybe I can add like a redraw, maybe, and we'll see if that works. So I kind of brute forced it, and now I have 1,564 lines of code, and it still doesn't work sometimes. Like, for instance, let me play a game against the computer. I hit an X, it goes there. Alright, good plan, I'll go here. It doesn't play. Okay, what's your plan? Alright, I'll go right here, I guess. Oh, I win, get on my level. Alright, let's play again. Ooh, that is a good strat, my man. I'm gonna go right there. Gotta block him, I win. See, the computer usually plays, but not always. Like, we're having pretty okay luck right now with the RNG, but it's checking like at least 10 times. So I guess what I'm gonna do to brute force it even more is to literally copy and paste it like 3,000 times. Just like this. And you can see the numbers going up a lot. Did that just break it? Hopefully not. But now it should work 100% of the time, but it doesn't look like it is. Or is that just me? Play, okay, O plays, alright, where play? I'll go there, he plays. I go there, I win. Nice job, O. Alright, I'll go there, he plays, alright, we're having good luck. I play, I win, doesn't matter. Play, I win. Play, he plays, alright, this is an even match. Fair play. Oh, he didn't play. That's an issue. Like, do I really need to copy and paste it this much? Look how many lines of code we have just to check if it's working. 24,000 lines of code. It should be working 100% of the time now, right? It didn't work. Oh, sheesh. This is not looking good on my resume. I mean, it usually works, but right now, if I like click and wait, it always will work, right? 4, and I win. Alright, I'm gonna do a few tests, and this might be the end of the video, or this might not be. Alright guys, it looks like this is gonna be the end of the video, and unless this video gets like a bunch of likes, I think this is gonna be the end of the Tic Tac Toe, and I'm gonna start on a new game. But I have a lot of code, but it's not really performing its function, so comment below if you think you have a better solution than this, and I won't be uploading probably until Monday, because I am going on a vacation, and if this video gets a bunch of likes, I will try and make the AI perfect, and if it doesn't, then I'll just move on to a different game, so see ya.